Hi, welcome to SBL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagaraj. Today's recipe is Kadlebele Payasam. Let's begin the recipe. I have taken the boiled gram dal. While that is cooking, into the mixie jar I am going to put 2 spoons of poppy seeds and 3 spoons of grated coconut and make this into a fine paste. To this I am going to add in the paste. Cook this until the raw smell leaves. Now is the time to add milk. I am going to add in the hot milk. I am adding the jaggery. And the elaichi powder. And continue cooking for another minute or two. With some ghee, I am going to fry in some cashew nuts and some raisins. Now this is done. I can add this on to the payasam. I am going to add in deep fried cashews and raisins in ghee. Kadlebele Payasam is ready to serve. Please do like, share and subscribe.